Good evening, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus and also Smooth Rock Falls Fitness Center Plus, and in this case plus the use of MagicWrap. I'm not sure what the company is. It's over there. The wrapper is over there, and I would like to show you, if I can do it with one hand, good luck, on how I have figured out how to, you see this entirely way too small spot that I'm trying to feed. Yes, I know there looks like mildew there. It's actually, not sure what it is, but I'm trying to feed this length of it in through there, that tiny little spot. And so far I've managed to do it. It's pretty awkward, but the gist of it is you have the loose piece that you've peeled off, and then the part that's still there, that's still stuck, and you, without getting this all wrapped up on itself, use the white piece that's already come off it to, I don't know if you can see that, go like that. And then the other piece right there should just go next to it. And then you pull the whole thing. You might have to adjust. Oh, this is really tricky, but I've managed to do it. And then you can also get a nice stretch on it. And then go up again. And then repeat again using the two pieces together. It gets a little tricky towards the end because you're trying to keep it stretched across the top with hardly any space. But to keep the two together, then this piece protects the naked part. And also, since it's not always, but usually longer than the other one, it can lead the way over a tricky spot. In this case, I'm trying to aim it over there, not so much towards me, and get it in there. Oh, like there we go. Oop. Oh, come on. It is very tricky. I have contemplated finding a sharp knife and whittling away that area, but I don't know. Oh my God. It's much easier with two hands, obviously, but it is possible, just frustrating and difficult. Oh, I'm not even aiming the camera right. So sometimes you might even just start with the one piece that's the plain one, or the one that's already peeled. And let it, well, it was easier before. There we go. There we go. See? Then you grab this piece. Trying not to swear. And pull that. And of course now it's not going to cooperate. But this other piece should slide in under it. There we go. The piece that you've pulled off the backing, or that is the backing, I should say. You see that sneaking up in there underneath the part that still has the black? There we go. And then, even though it's kind of wrecking that spot, you can still work it through there and start pulling that and giving it a nice pull, or rinse and repeat. Anyways, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bar, share. Sharing is caring, and wishing everyone a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever they are, you are. Stay awesome, stay adventurous, stay ingenuic. Ingenuic, is that a real word? Stay creative and independent if you can. Do it yourself. Yes, try to use ingenuity, and have a great night. Booyah.